Hello friends, welcome to our channel TSNET Made Easy. The name of our channel itself suggests that our channel is made exclusively for TSNET preparation. If you are preparing for TSNET, this is the place for you. So subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to never miss a video from our channel. On this platform, we are going to share with you syllabus of TSNET, exam pattern, preparation strategy, and we will also provide topic wise detailed guidance. And today's video is all about TSNET. If you want to know, please keep watching. TSNET is a national level entrance exam conducted by Tata Institute of Social Sciences for admissions to its PG courses. This offers many PG courses at its Mumbai, Tulzapur, Guwahati and Hyderabad campus. Candidates can apply for maximum 3 programs across any of the 2 campuses, indicating the order of preference. So you can apply for maximum 3 programs. So you have to be very careful while selecting the programs or courses. Now let's talk about the mode of exam. TSNET is conducted in CBT mode, which is computer based test. This exam is conducted once a year across different centers in India. There will be 100 objective type multiple choice questions for 100 marks and duration of the test will be 100 minutes. It means you are going to get 1 hour and 40 minutes. And this also means that you are going to get only 60 seconds for each question. So be focused at the time of examination. And here I would like to tell you an interesting thing about TSNET. If you are applying for a single course or 3 courses, you will have to give only one test. Yes, you heard me right. And the score will be valid for all the courses or programs you applied for. अगर आपने 3 कोर्सेज के लिए अप्लाई किया है तो आपको 3 अलग अलग एग्ज़ाम देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप सिर्फ एक ही टेस्ट देंगे और उसका जो भी स्कोर होगा वो तीनों कोर्सेज के लिए वैलिड होगा. Now let's talk about the medium of TSNET. Medium of TSNET will be English. There will not be translation in any other language. So keep this in mind. And the best part is there is no negative marking for TSNET. But there is negative marking for TSMAT and not for TSNET. Now let's talk about the basic structure of TSNET. There will be 3 sections: English proficiency, mathematics and logical reasoning, and the last one is general awareness. In English, you will have 30 questions for 30 marks and there is no sectional cutoff for English section. For mathematics and logical reasoning, there also you will have 30 questions for 30 marks and there is no sectional cutoff. Now comes the general awareness, where you will have 40 questions for 40 marks and TIS has introduced the sectional cutoff for general awareness this year. Now let's go into detail of sectional cutoff of general awareness. For general category EWS, KM and AF, you have to get minimum 14 marks to qualify TSNET. And if you belong to PWD, means the person with disabilities, and OBC, non-creamy category, you have to get 12 marks to qualify TSNET. And for SC and ST category, there is no sectional cutoff. वहाँ पे SC and ST category के लिए ऐसी कोई condition नहीं कि आपको that you should get minimum marks in this general awareness section. So that is it, friend. I hope you liked the video. Please, If you have anything to say, please comment below. If you have any questions regarding TCNET exam, let us know in the comment section, and you can follow us on our Instagram page, and our Instagram ID is BingTCN. So see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.